Good morning, fam. What's going on? We are back on a peg hunt. Today is Labor Day. Happy Labor Day to everyone, and enjoy your coffee. So we're going to be making our first stop to the Target. So let's cross our fingers. This is where we found the Chase and the Super. So we are currently waiting for the doors to open up in a couple of minutes, and I'll meet you guys in the Diecast section. Let's go. So we're in the Diecast section. So it looks like there's quite a bit of a restock happening. And it is for so we got a mixture of L and I think I said K. Yeah, L and K. So you got the Lamborghini Sesto. We already have a couple of those. Like I said, oh, there's the Audi. We got a whole bunch of these. So it looks like somebody may have already been in here. Let's put this down for now. Okay. Ooh, there's the 2000 GT, the Ford Mustang. You got the Maverick. There's the Shelby, the unofficial Zamak. There's the Diora 2 Porsche. We already have that. Ducati. Alright. Dropping stuff left and right. Dominions. Oh no, somebody destroyed the Tankinator card. There's a Silverado and then Bumblebee again. And I'm just dropping stuff left and right again. Alright, come on. You think we're gonna get lucky today with the treasure hunt? Who's the NSX? We already have one of those. Probably get one later on. Open. There goes Batmobile on the floor. There's the Nissan. Another Bumblebee right there. Pagani Utopia. Yeah. Let's get any type of treasure hunt. Let's do this. Oh, we already checked that. Did we? Yeah, we did. So I'll go back here. BMW. Yo, Is that Tia? Tia? No. Yeah, it's regular. But dude, I'm still getting it. You still gotta get it, man. It's the fiber. Oh, whoa. Ah. Another dud. 2 Firebird duds. No bueno. Let's see. Oh, this is a dud anyway. L case. All right, so we're definitely gonna pick these 2 up. It's just something about the paint job on the Firebird that they did. It just looks so beautiful. All right, let's go pay for these. All right, so we are at our second stop, and we're gonna see if we can find something new. Sometimes this place does disappoint me. All right, here we go, Diecast. I guess we're in the Diecast section. Like I said, the pegs are just empty. See what we got here. Same old B case from last time. We're not even gonna flutter through it. Looks like somebody's already been here. Hey, still got the same old stuff. The Hot Wheel premiums are not moving. It's got nothing but peg warmers. More peg warmers. It's funny how the whole set's just a peg warmer now these days. They just pushed out so many that nobody wants them anymore. Let's see, what else? So we got going on? 2 packs. Same peg warmers. They need to start putting these things up at 50% off. Start moving these things. All right, here we go. Looks like we have a refill of the Harry Potters. We're gonna look at that second. So we got the moving parts. First one's right here is the Range Rover. I'm gonna scoot you over there. And you got that, which is the Jaguar I-Pace. The Harry Potter. Cool, man. That's pretty cool. Too bad we don't need those right now, but oh, look at this. That's what I'm talking about. Smokey the Bandit's Firebird. That is so cool. Cartoons. Okay. So I did see the Chevy Silverados in here last time. I guess those were the Chase, I guess. I'm not too sure. So, just going through this mess. I guess somebody decided to steal the Pokemon card. Ooh. There's the Knight Rider car. Pretty cool. It's funny how you're seeing the Pontiac Firebirds everywhere now these days. Ever since they came out with the L case. Alrighty, so I don't think I'll be picking up anything else from in here. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this little short hunt. You know, we only picked up the 2 Firebirds, and by God, these Firebirds are beautiful. I'm not gonna lie to you. Compared to the T-Hunt, I like these better. You know, the paint job on these the paint scheme, let me rephrase that. The paint scheme on this is way better. I love the red Firebird on there. It just melds with the black matte paint on there. This paint scheme looks way better. They should have kept this as the color for the treasure hunt. Well, that's it. That's all I bought. You guys saw my other Target run. The second stop, it was a barren wasteland. All right, guys. So thank you for joining me on this beautiful short hunt, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Be safe. Happy hunting. Find your personal chases. Find those treasure hunts. Super or regular. Find what you want. Because like from the moving parts, the Lamborghini was my chase. And so now these are my chase as well. So everybody has their own personal chases. Find them, collect them, have fun. Peace.